Hello, Amay. So it was a draw in the final round. So tell me, how was the experience of the entire tournament?
I think it was a very good experience, learning wise also and performance wise also. I have not focused too much on the results. I have just tried to do my best. Many games were up and down. Like starting from my very first game against Shadurshan, where there were opposite colored bishops, I was just trying to play the game and somehow I managed to squeeze a win in that. Then I had many interesting games. I mean, I have won many games this tournament, but they were not smooth. Like probably I was losing in many winning games, games which I won. So yeah, it was up and down. But I think it was very fun to play all these games.
Okay, as it's a really strong tournament, so in all the rounds, who gave you the strongest run for your point?
Actually, each and every game of mine here has lasted for more than 4 hours, I should say. Except this last round. This last round has finished like in 5 minutes, but every game has finished in 4 hours, and I used to reach to the room very late also. I think one of the meaning to say most tense where I was actually in serious pressure was against Ramesh, Sri Lankan IM, where I was almost going to lose in the third round. I was going to become queen down, but then somehow I kept things together. I kept some tricks in the position. I saw some resources for myself, and somehow I managed to win the queen back. The game went on for a long fight. I kept the pressure on, and I was still playing for win, though my position was losing. Actually, I wanted to win that game badly, and then as I kept more pieces on the board, some pressure, my opponent suddenly lost on time when it was a draw. Actually, so I think that was the most fun game for me.
Yeah, that video has got a lot of comments also already. And what would you say your favorite game is, that one game that you will take with you, that yes, I really played well in that game?
I think one game in which I have played I mean, it never went to minus after coming to plus. I mean, after I was winning, I always won. Was against Aryan Varshini yesterday. That was a very long game, but that was like comparatively smooth. I was not losing after coming to a winning position, and I think the game went well from the opening to the ending.
Okay, last day I was speaking to Lakshman, and he mentioned that he still, after all these years, has the fear of facing lower rated players. So how do you deal with that, or do you have the same fear?
Actually, I also prefer to play strong events with stronger players. That's why I think many Indians are forced to travel to European countries, and for which even sponsorship and all is required. Because here in India we face plenty of lower rateds, and if my target is to become GM, which it is, I am risking my rating unnecessarily here. Like with one draw, I can lose like around 6 points, I think, with lower rated, and which is hard to gain by beating them again. Like I will need to, I don't know how many games I will need to beat them. It will take over a tournament, over 10 rounds to beat just 1600s to come to that rating, I think. Exactly. So I think it's risky, but I think overall one should just play chess, have fun.
Absolutely, agreed on that. So tell me about your plans with chess. What are you targeting this year? Is there a rating target, or what target have you set for yourself?
Yeah, actually I want to become a grandmaster. I also want to increase my rating in every tournament that is possible. I am always playing to win every tournament that I can. Actually, I don't set any lower aim than that. But I mainly just play chess to have fun, to enjoy every game as long as I can play, enjoy like that. I am also studying, and also so I have to balance. And I think eventually I will become GM. I am not setting any target to become youngest grandmaster in the world, so this is for fun, like.
Right. So apart from chess, what do you mentioned that you are studying, and apart from studying and chess, what do you like to do in general?
Like I watch anime.
Oh, you're an anime fan?
Yeah.
Okay. Any particular anime you like?
Like Haikyuu is my favorite.
Okay, okay.
So that's a volleyball sport anime. So
right.
It's very inspirational. And yeah, then I like to exercise every day.
Okay, that's nice.
So yeah, that's I think. Yeah.
That's great, Amay. It was great talking to you. I wish you all the very best, and I hope to see you in more tournaments.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.